The Criteria Core test for firefighter aptitude exams is a 50-question multiple-choice test that measures general cognitive aptitude in verbal reasoning, numerical reasoning, abstract spatial reasoning, and attention to detail, with increasing difficulty as you progress through the questions. You are not allowed to use a calculator, but you can use scratch paper. There's a chance you'll need to turn on your webcam and be supervised. Incorrect answers don't count against you in this particular test. Your criteria test score is benchmarked against the other candidates, and the focus is on how many questions you get right, with scores of 35 and above typically placing you in the 85th to 99th percentile. Any score between 43 and 50 correct answers falls into the 99th percentile, and the test includes verbal reasoning questions like analogies, sentence completion, antonyms, and deductive reasoning. I have included examples of each reasoning type for you below. The numerical reasoning section includes number and letter series, word problems, and fraction values, while abstract reasoning is measured through shape series. Decipher patterns in a series of frames and predict the missing element. Analyze 3x3 grids to choose the logical missing cell. Prepare for the Criteria Corp test by practicing odd frame, attention to detail, and dataset questions without a calculator and under time pressure to maximize your score potential. Practice makes a huge difference. Take our free criteria practice test in the free practice test module below, or you can use the paid prep course for a good head start and to maximize your score potential.